All Terraine Cleaning Solutions, LLC. Visit us at allterraine.com. I know you see on that sign, it's missing one of the R's. So ALLTERRAINE.com. Need cleaning? You know the slogan for the Supreme Clean. What we do? Make that phone number ring. So anyhow, we're working out of the new rig here. And today on this service here, we're doing a gutter cleaning. We did a dry vent clean so far, and then we're going to do the driveway here. So nice little ticket, not too much, something too big. So should be in and out of here. But as you see, you always want to. I was thinking today that I'll probably either blow the gutters out, but that might make more of a mess here. So what we're doing is going the old-fashioned way by just using the handy dandy Home Depot bucket. This thing's a rider, and our old gutter scoopers. So yeah. So anyhow, if you are in the Sacramento region and you're in need of some of these services, feel free to visit us at allterraine.com to book for your roof soft wash, house soft wash, gutter cleaning, dryer vent cleaning, surface cleaning, you name it. And we also do move out and move in deep cleans. So visit us at the website, and we'll love to assist you. All right, have a great day, everyone.